Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome little adjustable clips, command clips for string lights or decorations, anything like that. They come with a pack of little stickies that you stick on the back. Here, you place it on, and then you peel this part off. You can stick it on your wall. It is re-stickable for up to 3 times, which is great. And there's plenty of these backings so that if after 3 times you need more, there are plenty more. So I love these. They do a really nice job at holding up. We have string lights in our living room and they hold them up very well. The little lights just clip right into there, which is great. And they haven't fallen or anything like that. So definitely recommend these. I think they're great if you are a decorator and like to hang different things. And I think you'll like these, and that is my point of view.